Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 and lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability. Okay, so in this chapter today we are going to solve the illustration number 15 to 18. Okay, we are going to solve the illustration number 15 to 18. Okay, so first of all illustration number 15 is that find the probability. We have to find the probability of having 53 Thursday in a leap year. Yes, find the probability of having 53 Thursday in a leap year. Okay, in a leap year total how many days? 366. Yes, in a leap year total 366 days. Okay, and how many complete week in a year? How many complete week? 52 complete week in 1 year is 52 years, because 52 and multiply by 7, 52 multiply by 7 is equal to 364. Yes, 364. So 52 week has a how many days? 52 week has a how many days? 52 multiply by 7. Yes, because each week has a 7 day. So 52 week has a 52 multiply by 7 is equal to 364 day. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Now, but in leap year there is a total 366 day. Yes, and 52 week has a 64 day. Yes, so there is a 2 additional day. Yes, we can see that 366 minus 364. Yes, so there is a 2 additional day. Okay, there is a 52 weeks. So how many Thursday will be available in 1 year in 52 weeks? Okay, my question is that how many Thursday in 52 weeks? 52 Thursday. Yes, because each week has a 1 day. Yes, each week has a 1 day. Yes, so there is total 52 Thursday and 2 additional day. Yes, 2 additional day. Okay, अब 52 वीक है, उसमें तो सब डे आने वाले हैं. मंडे, ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. क्लियर, सब डे आने वाले. 52 वीक्स है तो उसमें तो सब डे आने वाले हैं. लेकिन जो ये 2 एडिशनल डे है उसमें कौन से डे आने वाले हैं वो हमको पता लगाना है. ओके, तो उससे ही हमको क्या मिलेगा? सैंपल स्पेस मिलेगा. सैंपल स्पेस मीनिंग द नंबर ऑफ टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम. ओके, सो आवर सैंपल स्पेस U इज इक्वल टू, ओके, 2 एडिशनल डे. 2 एडिशनल डे कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? एक तो मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे. यस, ये 2 डे हो सकते हैं. या तो ट्यूसडे एंड वेडनेसडे हो सकते हैं. क्लियर, आप फुल में लिखना. ओके, या तो वेडनेसडे एंड थर्सडे हो सकते हैं. ओके, या तो थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे हो सकता है. यस, या तो फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे हो सकता है. क्लियर, ओके, सैटरडे हो सकता है. या तो सैटरडे और संडे हो सकता है, और या तो संडे एंड मंडे हो सकता है। यस, एडिशनल डे में ये 2 दिन है वो आ सकते हैं, या तो मंडे ट्यूसडे, ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे, या तो वन डे थर्सडे, थर्सडे फ्राइडे, या तो फ्राइडे सैटरडे, सैटरडे संडे, या तो संडे और मंडे। सो देर इज अ टोटल हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल आउटकम 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Yes, so total number of possible outcome is equal to 7 and possible outcome. It is denoted by n, so that n is equal to 7. Our event A is the 53 थर्सडे इन ए लीप ईयर। ओके, 52 थर्सडे तो है, तो एक और थर्सडे आना चाहिए। यस, सो वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट एज अ देयर इज अ थर्सडे एंड थर्सडे, वेयर इज Thursday and Thursday. Yes, so there is a 2 favorable outcome. Yes, so event A is equal to leap year has 53 Thursday, 53 Thursday. Clear? So the our element is that Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. Yes, so how many possible outcome here? Possible outcome M is equal to 1 and 2. Yes, 1 and 2. So the probability of having 53 Thursday in a leap year means P of A is equal to M by N. M is equal to 2 and N is equal to 7. Yes, so this is the probability of event having 53 Thursday in leap year is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the illustration number 16. Illustration number 16 is that there are two officers and 3 clerk, 2 peons among us 7 employees. Yes, there is a total 7 employees, 2 officers, 3 clerk and 2 peon working in a cash department of a bank. A committee is a form or random selecting 2 employees. Yes, we have to select a 2 employee out of this 7 employee. Okay, from the employee of this department. Okay, find the probability of that 3 are. Okay, there is a 3 event, we have to find the probability for this 3 event. Okay, first case is the 2 peon selecting of a 2 peon. Yes, okay, we have to select a 2 employee, but in the event A these 2 employee is the 2 peon. Okay, so in this 2 peon are selecting. यस, हमको 2 प्यून सिलेक्ट करने हैं, लेकिन किस में से करने हैं? 2 प्यून में से। टोटल प्यून भी कितने हैं? 2 है, उसमें से हमको 2 प्यून सिलेक्ट करने हैं। 2 प्यून आर सिलेक्टिंग फ्रॉम 2 प्यून। यस, ओके, एंड नाउ another employee are 2 officers and 3 clerks, means remaining employee is equal to 5. Yes, तो इस 5 एम्प्लॉय में से हमको कोई एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट करना है? नहीं करना है। हमको टोटल कितने एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट करने हैं? 2 एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट करने हैं। वो तो हमने सिलेक्ट कर दिए हैं, वो तो हमने 2 प्यून है वो हमने सिलेक्ट कर दिए है। ओके, और किस में से सिलेक्ट किए हैं? 2 प्यून में से, आउट ऑफ फ्रॉम 2 प्यून। ओके, हमको टोटल 2 एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट करने हैं। तो इवेंट ए तो ये है कि 2 प्यून सिलेक्ट करना है, तो हमने जो 2 एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट करना है वो तो हमने 2 प्यून सिलेक्ट कर दिए। किस में से सिलेक्ट किए? 2 प्यून में से सिलेक्ट किए, क्योंकि हियर टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्यून इज 2। यस, तो अब हम कोई एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा? नहीं, अब हम कोई भी एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते। क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्योंकि हमको टोटल 2 एम्प्लॉय ही सिलेक्ट करना था और वो तो हमने कर दिया। इसलिए नो सिलेक्टिंग ऑफ एम्प्लॉय, यस के अब हमको सिलेक्शन एम्प्लॉय का सिलेक्शन नहीं करना है। नो सिलेक्टिंग एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉम रिमेनिंग, ओके 2 प्यून में से हमने 2 प्यून तो सिलेक्ट कर दिए। अब एक भी एम्प्लॉय है वो हमको सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, लेकिन किस में से सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है? 2 ऑफिसर्स एंड 3 क्लर्क्स मीन्स द टोटल 5 एम्प्लॉयज, रिमेनिंग 5 एम्प्लॉयज। ओके, नो सिलेक्टिंग एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉम अ रिमेनिंग 5 एम्प्लॉयज। Clear? Okay, so this is the our event A. Our event A is that 2 pune are selecting from a 2 pune and no selecting employee from the remaining 5 employees. Okay, okay, so this is the event A. But how many? There is a total possible outcome. Total possible outcome we have to select 2 employee out of 7 employee. Yes, we have to select we have to select 2 employee out of 7 employee. Yes, so total possible outcome, thus total possible outcomes, and it is denoted by n, is equal to, we have to select a 2 employee out of 7 employee. Yes, so n is equal to, we have to select 2 employee out of 7 employee. Okay, for the selection we have used a C. Yes, in previous lecture we are use a P7, 5P5, 4P3. okay, but in this case we have used a C. okay, when we use a C, when we see, we have to do selection, a selection. Clear? So total possible outcome n is equal to 7C2. What is the meaning of the 7C2? 7C2 means we have to write 7 multiply by descending order of 7, which is 6. Yes, 7 multiply by 6. okay, here 2 means there is only 2 number. Yes, we have to write the 7 then 6. okay, then stop it. Why? Because there is a 2 and upon 2 multiply by 1. okay, so this is the 7C2. like as if there is a 7C3 means 7 multiply by 6 and also multiply by 5. there is a total 3 number and this is from this 3. okay, upon 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 1. yes, so this is the 7C3. okay, second example 5C2. okay, sorry, 5C4 means it is equal to 5. yes, then 4, then 3 and then 2. yes, there is a total 4 descending order and it is selecting from this 4. okay, now 4 means the 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 and multiply by 1. okay, understand it? okay, so 7C2 means 7 multiply by 6 upon 2 multiply by 1. okay, so there is 3 cancel, 2 cancel, so 7 multiply by 3 is equal to 21. so n is equal to 21. total possible outcome is equal to 21. okay, but now we have to find the favorable outcome, and our event A is the 2 pune are selecting from the 2 pune and no selecting employee from the remaining 5 employee. okay, so total favorable outcome, total favorable outcomes, it is denoted by M, is equal to, we have to select a 2 pune from a 2 pune. yes, so we have to select 2 pune out of 2 pune. Yes, what is the meaning? We have to select 2 pune out of 2 pune. Clear? And multiply by. We have to select a no employee from of 5 employee. Yes. So we have to select no employee means 0 employee from of 5 employee. Yes. Clear? Done? Understand it? Okay. So equal to 2C2 means 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1, and the value of the 5C0 is also 1. Yes, then this is cancelled, so 1 cross 1 is equal to 1. So our total favorable outcome M is equal to 1. Yes, now we can find the probability of this event A. Probability of event A is equal to M by N. M is equal to 1 and N is equal to 21. Clear? Okay, so the probability of event A is equal to 1 by 21. Done? Okay, now we are going to find the probability of event 2. Event 2. Okay, event 2 is the selection of the two clerk. Selection of the two clerk. Okay. Second one, event selecting of a two clerk. Clear? Event 2 is the selection of the two clerk. Okay, now we have to select a two clerk, but out of three clerk. Yes, two clerk are selecting from 3 clerk. Yes, there is a total 3 clerk. Out of these 3 clerk, we have to select only 2 clerk. Yes, and now we have to select any employee? No, because we have to need only 2 employee, and these 2 employee are selecting from the clerk. Yes, 2 clerk will already selected. So now we have to no selection of the employee. Yes, so no selecting and no selecting एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉम. अब हमको कोई भी एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, लेकिन किस में से नहीं करना है? फ्रॉम रिमेनिंग एम्प्लॉय. एंड रिमेनिंग एम्प्लॉय विल बी हियर. रिमेनिंग में हमको 3 क्लर्क तो 2 क्लर्क है, वो 3 क्लर्क में से सिलेक्ट कर दिया. अब हमको कोई भी एम्प्लॉय है वो सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, लेकिन किस में से सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है? 2 ऑफिसर एंड 3 प्यून में से नहीं सिलेक्ट करना है. सो नो सिलेक्टिंग एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉम अ रिमेनिंग एम्प्लॉय. रिमेनिंग एम्प्लॉय में इज इक्वल टू 2 + 2 इज इक्वल टू 4 एम्प्लॉय. रिमेनिंग 4 एम्प्लॉय. ओके, रिमेनिंग 4 एम्प्लॉय. Clear? So total favorable outcome. Now we have to find the total favorable outcome. Total favorable outcomes M is equal to. Okay. Clear? See, we have to select a 2 clerk. Yes, 2 out of 3 clerks. So 3C2. Done? Okay. Multiply by. We have to select 0 employee, no selecting employee, so 0 out of 4 employee, so it is 4. Understand it? Okay. 3C2 means 3 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 1 multiply 4C0 means 1. Okay, so 2 cancel, so M is equal to 3. Yes, and N is equal to 21. So the probability of this event P of B, here name is the P of B. Okay, P of B is equal to 3 upon 21. So 1 by 7. Clear? Okay, now third event is that one officer and one clerk among the 2 employees selected in the committee. Okay, एक ऑफिसर सिलेक्ट करना है और एक क्लर्क सिलेक्ट करना है. एक ऑफिसर आप किस में से सिलेक्ट करेंगे? 2 ऑफिसर में से. और एक क्लर्क आप किस में से सिलेक्ट करेंगे? 3 क्लर्क में से. ओके, और अब आपको कोई एम्प्लॉय है वो सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, क्योंकि हमने 2 एम्प्लॉय सिलेक्ट कर दिए, एक ऑफिसर सिलेक्ट किया है और एक क्लर्क सिलेक्ट किया है। ऑफिसर है वो हमने 2 ऑफिसर में से सिलेक्ट किया है और 1 क्लर्क है वो हमने 3 क्लर्क में से सिलेक्ट किया है। अब हमको कोई भी एम्प्लॉय है वो सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, वो किस में से सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है, 2 प्यून में से सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है। क्लियर? सो इवेंट C is that selecting is that one officer is selecting from 2 officers. Yes. Now we have to select 1 clerk, and 1 clerk is selecting from 3 clerks. Okay. Now no selecting any employee from the remaining 2 peons. Okay. No selecting of employee from 2 peons. Okay, so that total favorable outcome M is equal to, okay, first one is we have to select one officer out of 2 officer. Yes, so 2C1 multiply by we have to select 1 clerk. Yes, we have to select 1 clerk, but out of 3 clerks. Yes, so 3C1. Understand it? It is too simple. Yes. Okay, now there is a no selection of employee means 0 employee out of from 2 peons. Yes, so 2C0. Okay, so this is the total favorable outcomes. 2 means 2 upon 1, 3C1 means 3 upon 1, and 2C0 is 1. Yes, so 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So M is equal to 6. So the probability of this event C is equal to P of C. Yes, P of C is equal to M by N. M is equal to 6 and N is equal to 21. Done? Okay, done. Okay, now we are going to solve the illustration number 17. Illustration number 17 is that a box contains 20 items. Okay, and 10% of them are defective. Clear? Okay, total item number is 20 items. Out of this item, 20% of 20 item is 10% of 20 item are defective. Yes, so first of all we find the number of defective item and number of non-defective item. Okay, so that the number of defective item defective items is equal to defective item is the 10% of 20 item. 10% of 20 item means 20 into multiply by 10% of 20 item. Yes, 10%, 20 into multiply by 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100. Clear? So it is 2. So defective item is equal to 2. Yes, so how many non-defective item? The number of non-defective item टोटल आइटम 20 है, उसमें से 2 है वो डिफेक्टिव है, तो डिफेक्टिव कौन नहीं हो सकती, कितनी नहीं हो सकती, 20 minus 2. So the number of the undefective item is equal to 18. Okay, now 3 items are randomly selected. We have to select 3 items. Okay, from the box. Then find the probability that 2 items are defective. Yes, 2 items are the defective. Probability of 2 items are non-defective. Then all 3 items are non-defective among 3 among the three selected item. Clear? Okay, first of all we have to write the all possible outcome. We have to write the all possible outcome. So the number of all possible outcomes, yes, and it is denoted by n, is equal to, yes, we have to select a 3 item out of total item means 20, yes, so that we have to select 3 items out of 20 items. So this is the our number of a possible outcome. Clear? Now 20 multiply by 19 multiply by 18, yes, is it true? Yes. Okay, upon 3 multiply by 2 upon 1. Okay, here 6, then here 10. So our answer is the 19 into 6 multiply by 10 is equal to 1140. Clear? First event is that, here I have write it, first event is that 2 events are defective. Okay, if suppose event A is that 2 items are defective, 2 items are defective, yes, so we have to find the number of favorable outcome, yes, so that number of favorable outcome of the event A, yes, favorable outcomes of event A. Clear? Number of favorable outcome is equal to, okay, we have to select a 2 item and 2 item are defective. We have to select 2 item are defective. Okay, and there is a total defective item is 2, yes, so we have to select a 2 defective item out of this total 2 defective item, yes. Okay, so we have to select 2 defective item, but out of 2 defective item, yes. Now we have to select 1 item from the non-defective item. Why? Because we have to select a total, because we have to select a total 3 item, यस 2 आइटम है वो तो हमने सिलेक्ट कर दी है, किस में से करनी है, वो तो हमको डिफेक्टिव आइटम में से सिलेक्ट करनी है, तो अभी एक आइटम सिलेक्ट करनी बाकी है, वो आइटम आप किस में से सिलेक्ट करोगे, वो आप नॉन डिफेक्टिव आइटम में से सिलेक्ट करोगे, या सो वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट 1 आइटम, यस, बट from the number of a total number of non-defective item, so we have to select 1 item from the 18 non-defective item. Okay, so the our answer is that 2C2 means 2 multiply by 1 upon 2 multiply by 1, and it is 80 by 1, it is cancelled, so answer is 8, and that this is the our number of favorable outcome, and it is denoted by the m, so m is equal to 18. Yes, so the p of a probability of this event A is equal to m by n, m is equal to 80 and n is equal to 114. Clear? Okay, so here 3 are cancelled, so 3 and 380 multiplied by 3 is equal to 1140. Yes, so 3 here 380. Okay, now by 2, so is equal, now we 2 are cancelled, so 3 upon 190. Yes, so this is the our probability of this event A. Okay, now second event is the 2 item are non-defective. Suppose event B is that 2 item are non-defective. Okay, chalo, so we have to find the number of possible outcome, number of possible outcomes. and it is denoted by the M. Yes, we have to select a two item from a non-defective item. Non-defective total number of non-defective item is 18. Yes, so we have to select two item out of 18 non-defective item. Yes, and now we have to select one item more, because we have to select total 3 item, and this one item is selecting from a defective item, and there is a total 2 defective item, so 2C1. so the answer is that 18C2. 18C2 means 18 multiplied by 17 upon 2 into 1 multiplied by 2C1. 2C1 means 2. Okay, so 2 and 2 is cancelled, so 18 multiplied by 17 and is equal to 306. So the probability of this event B is equal to M by N. M is equal to 306 and multiply by total possible outcome. Total possible outcome will be 140. Okay, if we cancel out 6, okay, then 51 multiplied by 6 and 109 multiplied by 6 is equal to 1140. So 6 cancelled, 51 upon 190. This is our probability of this event B. Okay, now event C. Event C is that all three items are non-defective. All 3 items are non-defective. All 3 items are non-defective. Yes, so we have to find the total number of possible outcome. Favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome. And it is denoted by M. And is equal to, we have to select 3 item out of non-defective item. Okay, how many non-defective item? 18. Yes, we have to select 3 item out of 18 non-defective item. Clear? Okay, now we have to select any item from the defective item. No. Why? Because we have to select a total 3 item and we already selected it from the non-defective item. So now we have no selection. We don't have to select any item from the defective item. Yes, so 0. We have to select 0 item from the defective item, and the defective item is the 2. So our answer is that 18C3 is equal to 18 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 16 upon 3 multiplied by 2 into multiplied by 1. Clear? Okay, so 3 into 6 here or 3. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 16 is equal to 860. So our probability of this event C, P of C is equal to M by N. Yes, M is equal to 860. Yes, upon 1140. Clear? Okay, here 68 and multiply by 12 is equal to 860. Okay, then 190 by 2 is equal to, yes, so 95 and multiply by 12, it is cancelled. Okay, so our probability is that 68 upon 95. Done. Okay, write down it, done it. Okay, now we are going to solve the illustration number 18. Okay, illustration number 18 is that a box contain 10 cheats of which 3 cheats are eligible for a prize. Okay, एक बॉक्स में 10 चीट्स है, उसमें से 3 चीट्स है वो प्राइज के लिए एलिजिबल है. क्लियर? अ बॉक्स कंटेन 10 cheats of which 3 cheats are eligible for a prize. Okay, a boy named Kathan randomly select 2 cheats from the box. Find the probability of the Kathan get a prize. Okay, कथन को 2 चीट्स है वो बॉक्स में से लेनी है, ओके, और 10 चीट्स में से 3 चीट्स है तो वो आएगी तो उसको प्राइज मिलेगा, ओके, क्लियर। सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट कथन गेट अ प्राइज, ओके। सो देयर इज अ how many total possible outcome? We have to select we have to select 2 cheats out of 10 cheats, yes, so that total number of possible outcome, total number of possible outcomes, and it is denoted by m, is equal to C, okay. We have to select 2 cheats out of 10 cheats, so 10 C2 and is equal to 10 multiplied by 9 upon 2 multiplied by 1, yes, so it is 5, and 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. So this is our number of total possible outcome, okay. Now we have to find the total number of the favorable outcome, okay. Here event A is that probability of the Kathan get the prize, okay. Event A is then Kathan get the prize, yes, and the complement of event A means the event A dash. It means Kathan can't get the prize, yes, Kathan cannot get the prize, okay. Now we find the probability of the complement of event A dash, okay. What I say, we have to find the probability of event A dash, okay. Then but we have actually we have to find the probability of the Kathan get the prize, and this event called is the A, yes. So we have to find the probability of event A, but first of all we find the probability of complement of the event A. Why? If we get the probability of the complementary of event A, yes, then from that we can find the probability of event A, yes, by equation P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A dash, yes. So now we are find the probability of the complementary of event A, okay. Event A dash is that Kathan cannot get the prize, okay. When Kathan cannot get the prize, when Kathan selects cheats remaining of these 3 cheats, okay. So that probability of Kathan cannot get the prize, yes. So now we find the probability of P of A dash, event A dash is the Kathan cannot get the prize, okay. So we have to select a cheat out of remaining of 3 cheats, yes, and the number of the remaining cheats will be 10 minus 3 is equal to 6. So Kathan have to select a 3 cheats, sorry, they have to select a 2 cheats, yes, out of remaining of these 3 cheats, and the number of the remaining cheats will be 7, yes, and multiply by, and Kathan now have to select 0 cheats from these cheats, yes. If they select a cheat from then 3 cheats, then Kathan get the prize, but our event is that Kathan cannot get the prize, okay. So we have to select 0 cheats from these 3 cheats, okay. So 3C0 7C2 means 7 multiplied by 6 upon 2 multiplied by into 1 multiply by 1, and 3C0 its value is 1, okay. Here 3 is cancelled, 7 into 3 is equal to 21, yes. So our probability of Kathan cannot get the prize means P of A dash is equal to M by N, yes. This is our M, this is our favorable outcome, Yes, when Kathan cannot get the prize. Okay, so the P of A dash is equal to M by N. M is equal to 21 and N is equal to 45. Yes, cancel 3. Yes, 7 multiply by 3 and 15 multiply by 3. 3 cancel, so 7 by 15. Okay, but we have to find the P of A. Why? Because we have to find the probability of that Kathan get the prize. This is the probability of that Kathan cannot get the prize. Yes, so we can find the probability of P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A dash. So here 1 minus 7 upon 15. Clear? So 50 minus 7 upon 50 is equal to 8 by 15. Done? So this is the our answer. Write down it. Okay, done. So keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.